chief, unajua ni hizo maswali.
Chief hata kuja kuuliza question yake.
Nazicheki. Hawa nakwambia hii California White.
Ubishika.
Hii ni California White. Ina miezi
So capture the whole picture. This is my California White breed. Unfortunately, 3 of them died because of an infection. The veterinary did not know what the disease was, but he told me the structure was all built wrong. It's not supposed to be made of wood. I'm supposed to use some fortified materials. I'm supposed to use some prefabricated walls because the hygiene was the issue. Also, there are some other breeds inside here. That one is the New Zealand White.
It's male and female.
Yeah, it's male and female. I have my chinchilla over here.
Chinchilla and yellow.
Yeah, he's very stubborn. I call him Samuel. He's a very stubborn one. Then you have this one.
New Zealand White.
Yeah, he's my New Zealand White. Female. He's female. You can see it's a very good breed. You can see the fur.
Yeah. Haina mambo Buddha.
This is the last one. This is the last rabbit. I bought this one from a prison, and you can see it's a fighter. That's why it has actually maintained even when the others have died. Yeah. We also have some chicken here. Some male chicken. Here are the chicks. And here are the chicks. There are 5 of them. Their mother is somewhere around here. So these are the ones we're expecting to bring the income this season. As you can see, they're growing well, but there seems to be a problem with the wings and the feathers. And we also have one last rabbit here. This is another chinchilla. It's a male. It's actually pregnant. It's expectant. So we'll be having some more by next month. And the last one but not the least, are these 2 New Zealand Whites. These ones they are about 8 weeks old, and I'm hoping that they can be sold within the next 1 month. Yeah. So this is the chicken structure. It's the one that I'm aiming to improve so that the output can be more. The veterinary has advised that it should be repaired. The iron sheets will be removed and replaced with something better, and we get better feeds for the chicken and the rabbits. So I'll be very thankful for any help you are going to give me. Thank you.